Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up XOSS Speedometer. Open the box and remove the XOSS Speedometer mounting accessories. Ensure that the speedometers and all accessories are included and in a good condition. Open the back cover of XOSS Speedometer and insert the provided CR2032 battery. Ensure the battery is installed firmly. Choose a location on your bike's handlebars where you want to mount it and attach the provided mount to handlebars using the rubber bands or clips that are included, and make sure the mount is secured tightly. The XOSS Speedometer uses a sensor that typically mounted on your bike's front wheel hub or crankset to measure speed and cadence. Attach the speed sensor to your front of the wheel fork or crankset using the provided brackets and zip ties. Attach the small magnet to a wheel spoke, ensuring that it aligns with the sensor as the wheel spins. Now press the power button on the XOSS Speedometer to turn it on. You may need to hold the button for a few seconds. The XOSS Speedometer will automatically start searching for sensors. Wait for a few seconds for the speedometer to detect the speed sensor and you are all set up. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.